Good boy. Whoa. Oh yeah.
The chicken farm. Don't make me injure you. Look, you can't injure me. I'll give you your best shot. Okay, then jump small for me. See, like I told you, you can't injure me. My chicken breastplate is coated with vibranium. That wasn't even my best kick. Trust me, you can't touch me unless I let you duck, slide left, hop over, invert and stand ground. Jump, left, right, slide left, and stand ground. God, you are good. But